Hey guys, Glenn here. In this video, we'll be discussing how to make money with your 3D printer. Currently, my Etsy shop alone has made over $35,000 in the last 6 months. The last 30 days being over $10,000. So we are growing exponentially. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I'm going to show you how I did it. As many of you may already know, 3D printing technology has come a long way in recent years, and is now more accessible and affordable than ever. This has opened up a whole new world of possibilities for entrepreneurs and small business owners who are looking for new ways to make money. One of the key benefits of 3D printing is the ability to produce customized, one-of-a-kind products quickly and easily. This allows you to create unique items that are high in demand and can be sold for a premium price. You can use a 3D printer to create custom jewelry, such as earrings, rings, pendants. You can also use it to make custom figurines or toys, or even create specialized parts for machinery or equipment. Another way to make money with your 3D printer is to offer printing services for individuals or businesses. Many small businesses and individuals are interested in 3D printing, but don't have the equipment or expertise to do it themselves. You can help them by bringing their ideas to life and earn a profit in the process. One thing to keep in mind when starting a business with a 3D printer is to research and understand the market. Identify what products are high in demand and focused on creating those. Also make sure to set competitive pricing that will allow you to make profit while still providing value to your customers. But in all honesty, the best product that you could sell is one that is designed by yourself, that no one else has, and your customers have no other option but to purchase from you, because your competitors simply don't exist. Don't be afraid to get creative. Think outside the box. The possibilities with 3D printing are endless, and there are always new innovative ways to make money with this technology. Some of these we haven't even thought of yet. 3D printing offers a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs and small business owners to create custom, one-of-a-kind products and earn a profit. Whether you're making your own products or offering printing services to others, there are many ways to make money with a 3D printer. Some of the many avenues to sell your 3D printing products are Etsy just being one of them, which obviously I'm on. But it's not just Etsy. There are other sites like Amazon Handmade. It's similar to Etsy, lets you sell handmade products to the masses. Another site is Go Imagine, who is dedicated to support non-profit organizations and focus on the needs of children experiencing homelessness and hunger. This site generally is cheaper than Etsy, however it doesn't have much traffic, and you will most likely have to bring your own to sell your products. Then there's Shopify, where you can build and customize an online store and sell in multiple places, including web, mobile, and in person. Shopify, like Go Imagine, you'll have to bring most of the traffic to the site yourself, unlike Etsy that has customers that might just find you on a whim. You can also use Wix to design your own website and rely on Google SEO for customers to find you. Another few honorable mentions in the website space is Squarespace, IndieMade, Bonanza. There are no shortage of sites to promote your products and sell on. However, rather than relying on the internet, you could bring your products to the customer by going to conventions, like one of my viewers that sells dragons in convention centers, or places like Big E or local fairs, where people are sure to love your designs, and the only commission that you have to pay perhaps is the fee for a table for a day, a few days, or a week, which sometimes can be minimal. One downfall of this strategy would be that you have to print your products in various styles and colors beforehand, and if they don't sell, well, that's possibly money right out the window. One of the great things about a 3D printing business is in most cases there's no reason to hold inventory. Some of the things I sell it before I even ever printed it before. However, the best way to run a 3D printing business, in my opinion, is to have multiple streams of income. There's no reason to not put your hand in every pot that you can if you have the time to do so. If you have any questions about how I run my 3D printing business, I'd love to hear them. Just comment down below. And if it's a really good question, I'll make a video on it, just like I did with a bunch of other ones. Thank you guys so much for watching. Watch this video next if you want to make money with your 3D printer.